People across New York and New Jersey gearing up for tonight's snowstorm. 700 salt spreaders and 1,600 snow plows will be deployed across the city. MTA buses have already been outfitted with tire chains, and officials are urging drivers to stay off the roads as crews work to clear that snow. Travel restrictions are also in place north of I-95 in New Jersey, where a state of emergency is now in effect. The restriction does not include the turnpike, and the 3 local airports already experiencing delays and cancellations. Officials at JFK say they've called off more than 150 flights. Travelers are being urged to check with their carrier before heading out the door.